Hi, Cynthia Nitch here, wanting to go over the fulfillment case summary. Okay, so this is the scenario. We have a customer called Peachtree Bikes, and they want to purchase some of our bikes. So they want to purchase 5 deluxe and 2 professional, 3,000 for the deluxe touring and 3,200 for the professional touring. So a total of $21,400. So you'll check when you guys do your case, make sure these numbers are correct. Okay, so to encourage Peachtree, we're going to give them a discount on our deluxe touring bike of $50 each. And then we're going to do a 5% discount on the entire order. So this will be kind of new to you, right? And we got to figure out how to go into that page to do those conditions. So this is what the outline of the case looks like. So first we do a customer inquiry. We call up Peachtree. We've been calling them for a couple of weeks, let's say, and finally we kind of call them up, and the Peachtree goes, "Yeah, we want 7 bikes." And then they kind of discuss the conditions there. So we're like, okay, well, let's just send an inquiry out and see if you like the prices and how we do business, and then we'll go from there. So then if Peachtree then receives the inquiry and decides to go with us, so then we're going to create a quotation. The difference between quotation and an inquiry is the quotation is legally binding. So we have a contract here. So let's just say they're like, well, we don't want to do this anymore. And if they've already signed the quotation, then maybe we would have in the contract that they have to pay a certain amount of money for canceling the order or something like that. Okay, so once we create the quotation, we'll create the sales order. And like I've said before, once you create your customer inquiry, you can use that information and copy it into the quote, and then I can use the quote information and copy it into the sales order. So it's really not a long process here. So Peachtree has agreed to the terms of the condition in the quotation and wants to order the bikes. So we're going to check stock status, see if we have enough bikes, and if we don't, we go into procurement and get what we need. We display the sales order. By the way, we have enough bikes. I think we have like 200 bikes or something like that. So now we're ready to start the delivery process. So to start the process that we will fulfill the Peachtree Bikes orders, we need to create a delivery document. And that's what it just says. It doesn't say delivery document when you do this step. It just says document. But you have to make sure you put the document number on there. And then we check stock status. Not just Peachtree is buying from us simultaneously. Maybe it's 6 or 7 different specialized bike stores. So we need to make sure we check stock status often. And then when we're ready to go, we're going to pick that material. A lot of times you guys forget to pick because you've done all the sales order of everything you need. And then finally you need to pick the material from that delivery document, and then finally post goods issue. So we pick it, and then we're going to ready to mail it, and we change the position or possession of the material from Global Bike to Peachtree, right? This is that main step, just like that main step in procurement was goods receipt. Now this one's goods issue. We mail it out and change the possession of the material. Then we check stock status to make sure that our pick was correct and that we did post issue, that we no longer have those bikes in the warehouse. Then we create an invoice for the customer to pay us for the bikes that they bought, and then we display the billing document with the customer invoice. And then finally, we post receipt of our customer payment. The good thing about fulfillment is that we get to check our work doing a document flow or review of document flow. They don't have this in procurement, which I think they should have, but you'll see, you can go into this document flow and see if you missed any of these, and then you could go in and correct them so that you can complete the case. All right, so that's that for the short summary of fulfillment. Make sure that you look, let's go back into modules and you see what is needed to submit this homework. So on sales and distribution, here's that case instruction. Obviously, I would subtract 10 points for any missing requirements, a little bit of a heavier penalty on this one because it's an easier case. I need you to upload the screen capture of the document flow, and I'll show you that. I need to see on the document flow your your number here. This person's number is 006. So I need this screenshot to be complete. And then upload the screen capture transaction code F23, customer balance in local currency. So you'll see that your debits and credits have been balanced out, and now you should see a 0 there. And then select, oh, so you did that, and then I need it as a screenshot. Please don't take a picture with your phone of the computer screen. All right, so on the next video, I'm going to go ahead and go over step 1 on the case study. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.